Now we will move on to the next thing, that is nothing but a pandas data frame. Okay, what do you mean by data frame? Data frame is nothing but a rows and columns. Multiple columns you will be having. For example, you have a list of name. Okay, I just take a list of name like, okay, these are the some of the names I have taken. Five names we have. The other thing, I have a age of those persons like, okay, like this I have their age. Okay, the one more thing, I may be having a location also, but I will just show you that like, yeah, I say location I have like Bangalore. I just give it in a short so that it will not take much. Mysore. Okay, he may be from Bangalore, like Hubli, like this. I am just giving short form of that. Okay, we have three lists we have. Okay, by using these three lists I need to construct one data. Then how can we do that one? We can do it by using, I can say data underscore, I just need to give some name like data underscore score info. Okay, I just want to create one data set. So we already imported in a short form, that is the pandas as a pd. So I say pd dot, we have a data frame d capital, then if you press a tab na, you will get that data frame, data frame. Now what need to be given in a data frame? We need to give the data. Okay, we need to give the data to that one, means columns and date type we have to give. For example, I say data frame name comma age comma location. These are the three list would like to use. So I use that, but it says that there is an error because you will not be able to give that one, right? So what we need to give, we have to make it in a list of those values. Okay, list of those values. Now if I give it taken, right, we need to give it in terms of the list. Then if I check data dot in data info, but it's not in a required format, like my column heading is not there. And second thing, we need name in a one column, age in a one column, and location in another column. So it is not in a required column. So what I will do, data dot, I say dot, okay, dot transform. Okay, we have code called as a transpose, sorry, transpose. Okay, means row into column, column into row. If I do that, okay, we got it, but still if I say data info, again if I execute, it will be in the same form, right? So I just want to apply this transform. We have to say what we need to do. We need to do here data underscore info equal to, okay, data underscore info equal to, I just want to modify the transpose and store it in same location, I say. Now if you check, it has been transformed, but column names are not been given. Column names are not been given. So how to add the column names? I just say dot columns equal to, means I say in data info, that in particular data set, the column names, the dot columns, we say column name to take to modify. I just say that, okay, data sorry, first name is a name. In list we need to give because multiple we have. So second will be the age, and third one will be the location. Now if you check data info, yes, it has been taken in a column. This is what we require, and these rows are in a index. This is called as index. Okay, rows number we have given in an index start from 0. This is a column we have taken. For example, only I just want to add one more column to this particular one. Then what we need to do? We need to call that data set name, then open the bracket. Okay, I just say that new column like uh, education. Okay, education. Okay, you can give the education list of the education like here, like only one thing I just want to feel like I can say um, what we can do. Okay, BBA or MBA. Okay, it won't take because it says that length of the value does not match with the index 5, so 5 times we need to repeat, right? So we can take that MBA 5 times. Okay, or any degree we can give like that. Data info. Now the one more thing has been added, right? Like this we can change the any of the things. Okay, column can be added. Okay, any column to be added we can add it. Okay, any one entry to be added, one more person I need to add to the data. Then what I will do, I say data dot info, that data info, I say dot append. Okay, I just want to append a new thing, new row. So I say append. What are the things to be given? Name is I just want to append this list, that a name is around like I say Pawan, then his age is 26. I just giving. Okay, location, I say some location, and graduation. If I'm not giving graduation, what will happen? We'll see. You can see Pawan has been created, but it is created in a like this, right? Like uh, age, everything. It is three entries. It has been appended into the one. To avoid that one, what we need to do? We need to give it in a dictionary form. Otherwise, what will happen? New row and new columns will be inserted. Okay, just I wanted to show that. That's the reason I said. Okay, or we can give Shimoga. Okay. I close the bracket. Then I say axis. Okay. I can give the axis also. We'll see. Ignore the boolean. Okay, sort. Okay. Uh, okay. What we need to do? We can give. We can see axis is equal to 0. No, we will not be having that option to give it separately. We have, if you give it in a dictionary form, you will get it. I hope. I just will try with things. Name is this one. Then age is this one. Then one more thing we had. Location is this one. And this is a dictionary. Dictionary also can only append a dictionary if ignore index is equal to true. Yes, I can say ignore index is equal to true if I write. Okay, then it has been taken properly. Right? It has been taken properly, and last one I haven't given, so it has been taken as a null value. Okay, like this we can append the one more thing, like we have a insert option also, like to insert any of the column I can say data info dot insert. Okay, to check anything, shift tab. Okay, it says that a location where you like to insert and which column name. Okay, then value to be inserted there, and allow duplicate is equal to what you would like to do. Okay, so you can check that. Okay, what exactly we can say location means, is it a column or is it a this one. Okay, location where you like to insert. Okay, column number or anything like data frame in the form of dictionary. They are saying this is the one thing, insert, I say one. Okay, new column, and this one, like I just want to insert where exactly. For example, here I would like to insert 1 2 3, fourth one, 0 1 2, third one. Okay, I say 3, comma, I just want to insert one more column called as a um, year. Okay, passing year I just want, and I just want to say that all are passed out in a 2022. If I give that, now data info, you can see everywhere it has been inserted. Because Pawan, I haven't done this one here, comma, in place is equal to not that. Okay, I just wanted to modify now. I haven't modified, that's the reason it is not shown. Now if I insert, already inserted, that's the reason it's saying that you are not able to insert again. Now if I check, see, here it become null. Okay, later I have executed that, no? That's the reason. Otherwise we can execute from the start. Okay, now you can see, right, like this we can insert any column also. Okay, we can give the list of values also. I think I can check that, insert the other things, like I say 5 comma 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5. I just say that the other column name, like uh, status. Okay, I will try to give the list of values like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Six values I will try to give, or 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0, uh, comma 1. Now if I check data info, you can see that one will be inserted. Okay, list of values we can give, right? We can either we can do a appending. Okay, to append a new columns to this one. Okay, we can insert a row, or we can insert any column by this also, or by inserting, by saying where exactly to be inserted and how to do that one. Okay, new column can be inserted, new row can be given. Okay, and we can do a like slicing also, like only one two column I would like to check. Those things we will discuss in a later session. There is a one way of constructing a data frame. In case you have a data in terms of list of items, then how to construct a data and how to modify that data we have been checked.